In this video, we listed the 5 best folding elliptical on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. SF E905 Elliptical Machine. The SF E905 Elliptical Training Machine by XMSJ is a versatile fitness equipment designed for a smooth and quiet workout experience. Made of alloy steel and available in gray or white, this elliptical features a magnetic resistance belt drive system, offering a low-impact, full-body cardio workout. With 8 levels of magnetic resistance, users can easily adjust the intensity of their workout. The machine is designed for easy setup and assembly, making it convenient for quick home workouts without disturbing others, thanks to its ultra-quiet operation. Safety features such as non-slip handlebars, foot pedals, and floor stabilizers ensure a secure exercise session. The compact and portable design, along with the digital monitor displaying various workout metrics, makes it an ideal choice for those looking to achieve an effective workout in limited space. Number 2. SF E3919 Cardio Elliptical. The Sunny Health and Fitness Premium Cardio Climber, SF E3919, is a versatile and durable exercise machine designed to provide a challenging workout experience. The heavy-duty steel climber frame can support users up to 260 pounds, ensuring long-lasting use. Combining stepping and striding movements, this machine offers a vertical climb of 9 inches and horizontal stride of 5 inches. Its smooth belt drive mechanism minimizes noise, perfect for shared spaces. The 14 pounds inertia-ready flywheel allows for challenging strides and climbs with ease. Monitor your heart rate with pulse-sensing grips and track your progress on the performance monitor, which displays time, RPM, speed, distance, calories, and pulse, as well as additional functions like a calendar and thermometer. With 8 levels of magnetic resistance, you can adjust the intensity of your workout. The machine also features a convenient bottle holder and transportation wheels for easy portability and storage. Number 3. Gym Equipment Fitness Machine. The products include a home magnetic static bicycle and a home elliptical trainer, both designed for home use and made of steel. Their bicycles' features include a multi-slot belt drive system, 6 kg internal magnetic bidirectional inertial wheel, and an 8-stage resistance adjustment system with electronic watch display for speed, distance, and other metrics, weighing 45.5 kg. The elliptical trainer shares some similar features with the bicycle, such as the same weight and a 0.30 cbm volume, as well as a belt drive system, 6 kg internal magnetic bidirectional inertial wheel, an 8-stage resistance adjustment system. The company prides itself on its 10 years of experience in manufacturing fitness equipment, offering a wide variety of products and competitive prices, and it ensures quality through pre-production samples and final inspections before shipment. The company accepts various payment types and provides delivery services while being fluent in English and Chinese. Number 4. Large Elliptical Machine. The product described is a range of physical motion trainers and elliptical machines by DHZ Fitness. The physical motion trainers come in models X9101 and X9100, each with specific dimensions, stride lengths, colors, and weights. The elliptical machines include fixed slope models X9201 and X9300, as well as an adjustable slope model X9200, each with distinct features and specifications. The company offers a warranty of 5 years for frames and 1 year for parts, with a specific payment term and MOQ mentioned. The equipment is designed for cardio training and targets various muscle groups. DHZ is headquartered in China with a presence in Europe, offering delivery within 20 days from the factory and assembly options. Parts and warranty information can be obtained through the company directly. The products are designed for commercial use, with steel construction and electromagnetic control. The elliptical trainers are non-foldable, with rear-wheel drive and electric operation, suitable for unisex cardio exercise in commercial settings. Number 5. XE08 Elliptical Machine. The Elliptical Trainer XE08 by Kangsu is a foldable electric exercise machine made of steel, designed for universal use regardless of gender. With dimensions of 2000 by 600 by 1700 mm, it has a 10 kg flywheel and can support a maximum user weight of 130 kg. The machine provides a full-body workout targeting various muscle groups, including waist, arms, legs, back, core, and more. It offers strength training in the form of a muscle relax apparatus, making it versatile for different types of exercises. The product comes with after-sales service provided by Genius and offers an optional color choice. It is shipped in plywood packaging, with a net weight of 140 kg and a gross weight of 110 kg. The elliptical trainer is suitable for individual use or in a gym setting, boasting quality construction from mainland China.